bedroom. Finally in Bangkok. Took us a while to get in. Nice big bed. The view is just general Bangkok skyline. Nice big TV. I think it's bigger than we've got at home, she says. Level 11. A bathroom. Shower with all the nice condiments.
Condiments?
Toothpaste and toothbrush. So that's good. Just a general nice little robe there each, and some slippers each.
But you mentioned it's 5-star.
Bangkok is 5-star. The next we have 3 nights here, and then we go down to Phuket, get a transfer from Phuket to Krabi, and then get a boat to our next destination, which